Hello my friends, nice to see you. Today we'll pronounce the sound "a". Listen and repeat. "A". Alright, let's practice together. Now listen to the sentences and pronounce the words after me. Look, I have lunch in my bag. It's tasty. Lunch. This is my mother. Mother. Look, this is my lucky number. Number. Do you want to be a runner? Runner. They love each other. Love. I love to cut pictures. Cut. Look at my friend, he is unhappy. Unhappy. This monster is ugly. Ugly.
Now say which word is transcribed here. Great! Duck. Good job! Plus. What is here? Right. Sunday. Very nice. Brother. Crunch. Listen to the words and choose one extra word. Come. Fun. Unicorn. Luck. Unicorn is an extra word here. Music. Bus. Puppy. Bubble. Music is extra. Subject. Nut. Club. Rule. Great! Rule is an extra word. Listen to the sentences and say how many times you have heard the sound "a". A funny puppy runs in front of a club. 4 times. My friend comes to us on Mondays. 3 times. Mommy, I'm so hungry. 2 times. And finally, you will hear 2 little songs.
Grandmother said, let's have lunch. My mother said, don't you munch. My brother said, I don't do duck. My father said, what a luck.
Three funny monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Good job! Now you can pronounce the sound "a" correctly. We had a good lesson. See you later!